Welcome to this video. This is tutor PVS and this is Genius Pros online school. Two metal spheres B and C on insulated duality stands carry charges of 10 times 10 to the power negative 9 coulombs and negative 12 times 10 to the power negative 9 coulombs respectively. You can see B and C clearly. The charges have been indicated there. How does the number of electrons on sphere C compare with the number of protons on sphere B? Write only less than, the same as, or more than. Take note that the sphere here is negatively charged, but here it's positively charged. So for this question here, the answer is just more than. And here's a reason for you. Okay, just more than. The reason is that, so 6.3, the reason is that this one is negative charge. It means it has got a lot of electrons as compared to this one. So this one has got protons, this one has got more electrons. So it's a simple because we are saying the sphere is negative charged. You end there. The sphere C is negatively charged. Is negatively what? Charged. We go to 6.4. So this is 6.2. Then we go to 6.3. Calculate the number of electrons in excess on sphere C. So we want to see how many electrons are in excess here. To do that, we can just find the ratio of these two. That's all. So the number of electrons that are excess here, we are going to talk about the charge. All right. Okay. Then, of course, on C over the charge of one electron. So charge of one electron. All right. So what do you know about the charge on C? Is negative. Is 12. It's 12 times 10 to the power negative 9 coulombs, and the charge of one electron is actually 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 19 coulombs. So what is N? N is going to give us 7.5 times 10 to the power 10 electrons. So these are the ones that are excess. Next says 6.4. A capacitor of capacitance 5 microfarad is connected to a 6V or like voltage supply. What is the amount of charge that is stored in the capacitor? All right. First of all, we've got capacitance, which is 5 microfarads, and 5 micro means 10 times the negative 6 farads, like that. And the next is we have got voltage, which is 6 volts, or what we're looking for is the charge. So we just have to relate the equation that has charge, voltage, as well as what in capacitance. And we know that in capacitance is just like the amount of charge or what is stored and so forth, right? You know that capacitance is equal to charge per voltage. All right, so charge is coulomb multiplied by voltage. So the charge here is at 6 volts. Then you're going to multiply this one by 5 times 10 to the power negative 6, which will give us 30 times 10 to the power negative 6, which just gives us 3.0 if we round off, times 10 to the power negative 5 coulombs. That is the charge. It's done and dusted.